How to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. Now, if you don't want to delete your account and you just want to deactivate your account, then here is a quick guide on how you can do so. First and foremost, you want to go ahead and open up Facebook and head over to the settings. You can simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner once you open up Facebook, and then tap on settings or the gear icon just below it, or you can tap on settings and privacy and then head into settings. Now, under settings and privacy, or under settings, you'll find the option that says account center. So you want to simply tap on account center option. Now here under account settings, you can see the option that says personal details. You want to tap on it and you can see the option account ownership and control. Select it. Select deactivation or deletion from here, and then you want to select your Facebook account. So since you want to delete your Facebook account, you want to simply select your Facebook account, tap on the arrow icon there, and here you'll get two different options, that is to deactivate or delete account. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you have shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger and your account will be deactivated, and you can activate it anytime when you head over to Facebook and enter in your login credentials. Simply tap on continue, enter in your password, and you're good to go. So this way you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.